Thanks for joining me at the table. So we've got Michael, Kara, Ian, and Ben. We've picked our story. What's our story? The Helpful Dragon! Yes! Now we've talked about this before, but what does a story mean if it's fiction or if it's fictional? Fake, right? Or made up, imagined by the author. So The Helpful Dragon is a story of fiction. I have not read it yet, but I'm very excited to read with all of you. It does have awesome pictures though. How cool is that? I know Ian likes the pictures. Before we get started, we're gonna be working on prosody today. We've heard this word a little bit, but basically it's the rhythm, the pattern of our speech, where we use certain pitches on words or tones, or so if we see something like, ouch, that hurt, we're not going to read it like, ouch, that hurt, right? That sounds like a robot. We want to say, ouch, that hurt. Now, prosody goes hand in hand with fluency, right? So fluency is how smooth we read, right? Very nice. And that affects how we understand the story. So if we say, ouch, that hurt, it doesn't make a lot of sense, right? So, ouch, that hurt, that might help us understand the story a little bit better. So, while we're reading The Helpful Dragon, I will read first. I'll read the page and then I will point to one of you and then you will read it back, or I'll tell you which section to read. If I say all of us, then we're all going to read. But it's going to be a lot of fun. I think we're going to enjoy it. So let's get started. The Helpful Dragon. Actually, before we get started, let's talk about a couple things. What happens if we come across a comma? We pause, right? Very nice. And what about a period? We stop, right? We stop when we see a period. And that falls at the end of a sentence. Right. What goes at the end of a question? A question mark. Nice. And what about, what's an exclamation point? Right? That makes it, I always think of it, makes it exciting, but it exclaims, right? It's like if you see ouch, usually ouch will have an exclamation point at the end. Ouch, or stop, or hey, that hurts, okay? But we're going to see some more throughout the story, I think, and I'll point them out when we get there. But punctuation helps us know kind of the tone of what we're reading, right? So let's get started and see if we can find a couple. The villagers of Puddle Village had a problem. It was a large, red, fiery problem. "There's a dragon on the track!" shouted the station master. Ben, can you read this page for me, please? Nice. Way to pause on the comma. Very nice. I like that. And I liked your station master voice. All the villagers tried to wake it up, but nothing they did worked. The dragon just snored and snored. Kara, do you want to read that page? Very nice. That's wild. What would we do if we saw a dragon on the tracks? You'd pick it up? You think you could pick it up? I don't know about that. We'll see. I wonder what they're going to do. Very nice, Kara. I like that you stopped in the periods. Very good. The villagers gathered on the village green for a meeting. "There will be a reward for anyone who can move that dragon," said the mayor. One little girl knew just what to do. Ian, can you read for the mayor for me? That middle section there. Yep, right there. Nice! I like your mayor voice, and very good job stopping on the period. Lucy rode to the train station as fast as she could. "I want that reward so I can buy a new bike," she said. "I'll move the dragon." Michael, can you read what Lucy said? Very nice. How do we think Lucy's going to move the dragon? She's going to pull it with her bike? Maybe. We'll see. The red, fiery dragon was very, very big. Lucy decided it must be hungry. "Would you like some food, Mr. Dragon?" she asked. Lucy rustled a pack of salt and a packet of salt and vinegar crisps. What do we see here? Where's the exclamation point? Right there, very nice, very, very big. Carrie, can you read that first section for me, please? Very, very nice. Yep. Ben, can you read the next section for me? Great. I like how you hit the question mark. It was a question, right? Salt and vinegar crisps were the dragon's favorite. He opened one eye. Yes, please, he said. I am a little bit hungry. Yep, we saw another exclamation point. Can we all read that last section together? Yes, please, he said. I am a little bit hungry. Very nice, guys. Good job. The dragon ate all the crisps in one big gulp. Snap, snap, snap. The trouble was, he was a big dragon. I'm still hungry, he said. Can I have some more food, please? Let's all read that last section together. Starting with I'm still hungry, he said. Can I have some more food, please? Nice. We all sounded like we were asking a question. Great job, guys. Follow me, said Lucy. I'm sure we can find some more in the village. The dragon got up off the track and the pair went to look for food. Michael, can you read starting with the? Nice way to pause on the comma. What happened? Did Lucy solve the problem? She got the dragon off. Yep, how'd she do it? By getting him to want more food. Very nice. Do you think she meant to do it, or do you think it happened? Yeah, maybe. They went to the park. Some villagers were having a picnic. The grass was too wet and the food was getting soggy. The villagers gave the dragon some cake. Then Lucy had an idea. She whispered in the dragon's ear. The dragon quickly breathed hot air over the grass. It was soon dry. He gobbled up some more food, but the dragon was still hungry. All right. I'm going to have Michael read that. We're going to be on that right page right there. Start with the, and then, you know what, read the whole page for me, please. Very nice. Way to stop on the periods. So did the dragon help the couple? Yeah. Very nice. Lucy and the dragon went to find more food. Nearby, a chef was cooking on a barbecue, but he didn't have any fire. I know what to do, said Lucy. She whispered in the dragon's ear again. Anne, can you read, starting with I know? Way to go! Nice, you used that exclamation point. Lovely. What do we think she's going to tell the dragon? Yep, if we look at that picture, she's probably going to tell him to light it on fire. Let's see. Quick as a flash, the dragon breathed fire over the barbecue. It was soon sizzling. Then he ate a sausage or two, but the dragon was still hungry. I'm going to have Michael read that page, please. Very nice. Good job. I like that you keep hitting those exclamation points. That's great. On they went. Lucy and the dragon walked into a wedding party. There was lots of food to eat. The dragon licked his lips. Hello, said the bride. I'll give you some food if you warm up my wedding tent. I'm going to have Ian read that, starting from hello, as the bride. Nice. I like the voice you gave the bride. Very nice. Of course, said the dragon. He breathed hot air into the tent until it was warm and cozy. Then he gobbled up all the buns. Kara, can you read that page for me, please? Very nice. Great job using that exclamation point and noticing that comma at the end. Back at the village green, it was time for the fair. Lucy's mother had come to the fair to see where Lucy was. We're going to have Ben. Can you read that page for me, please? Great, great. Way to hit the comma. I'm here, said Lucy. She and the dragon had come to join the fun at the fair. The dragon is right here, too. Michael, can you read that page for me? Great, great, good job. I like how you really paused on that period, and a nice Lucy voice. Gosh, what a big dragon, said the mayor. Don't worry, said Lucy. He's a helpful dragon. Ian, can you read that for me, please? What the mayor and Lucy said? Very nice different voices. I like it. He made the wet grass very dry. Michael? He cooked all my sausages. Kara? He warmed my wedding. Ben? Nice. Good job. Great job, guys. What a helpful dragon, said the mayor. Will you stay in Puddle Village? Yes, please, said the dragon. I like it here. The dragon had great fun at the fair. He ate all the food. He even ate Lucy's donut. Ian, can you be the mayor? Yep, and village. Nice. Great. Kara, can you be the dragon? Great. And Michael, can you finish us off with the dragon? Right. Good job finding that exclamation point. He lit the village fireworks. Whiz, pop, bang. Hooray for the helpful dragon, cried the villagers. I'm going to have us all read whiz, pop, bang. Ready? Whiz, pop, bang. Nice job. Great job, guys. How did that feel? Did that feel good? And you guys all sounded great. We hit those punctuation marks. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to pass out a sheet. I want you guys to take this home and work on it a little bit, okay? It's just a couple questions about the story, and then we're going to talk about it tomorrow, okay? Great job. All right, go ahead and